Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can edit search engines you use in the Opera web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the Opera browser on your desktop computer, and there are two ways how you can do this. You either right click into the given URL bar here at the top in Opera and select edit search engines, or if you're in your browser settings, navigate to search engine here on the left hand side, and here guys click into change next to the default or current search engine and select one of these below. Set it as default if you like. Alternatively, you can manage them here through that button and assign, for example, a keyboard shortcut here. You can add more search engines, for instance, by clicking into this button. Enter the name of the search engine here, the shortcut, and the URL address. And that's it. If you, for instance, click into these three dots here next to the given search engine, you may make it the default search engine. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.